Steve here, Shen RC, and I got another battery pack in from AWANFI to test again. These are 3S 11.1 volt 50C 3000 milliamp packs. So let's open this beauty up and see what's inside. Got your safety instructions. Comes in a bubble wrap. There she is. What I like about these battery packs, the AWANFIs, they give you a battery strap. Let's take a close look at this battery pack here. Like I said, it's a 3S 50C discharge rate, 3000 milliamp hour. It comes with Dean's plugs already on there, which is nice. And this wire here, guys, is awesome. It's 10 gauge. It's really thick. And then the balance port here has a protector on it. And you could pop that off and I guess snap it on if you want. But let's take a look at this. This is a soft pack. Alrighty guys, here it is, and I'm going to be testing this out next. Okay guys, I'm here at the pond, and I brought my big brushless airboat. So I'm going to test out these AWANFI 3000 milliamp 3S 50C packs here. So I'm going to put this together, and we'll see you out on the water. Okay guys, here she goes. AWANFI batteries are working good. That's it, the beeper went off. Okay, we're gonna open this up and see what it looks like. It's a little bit warm, not too hot, feels okay. So I guess these work out pretty good. I used them in other RCs also. Seems to work out pretty good. It ran it pretty good in this boat here. And it's brushless, it draws a lot of amps, so in a car I think it'll be good. Anyhow guys, thanks for watching. Please sub and like, I really appreciate the support. It helps me out. Without you guys I wouldn't be able to do none of this stuff. And I'll see you next time. Beauty!